Hey everyone, and welcome back to my Fitness Hub, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and fitness tips. Today, we're diving into a topic that many find tricky to talk about: permanent hair removal in sensitive areas. Let's break down 5 effective remedies. Our first stop on the journey to smooth, hair-free skin is laser hair removal. This popular method has gained significant traction over the years due to its effectiveness and long-lasting results. This medical procedure uses a concentrated beam of light to target hair follicles, inhibiting future growth. The laser's energy is absorbed by the pigment in the hair, which damages the follicle enough to delay future growth. It's effective on both large and small areas, but requires multiple sessions for optimal results. Typically, patients need between 6 to 8 sessions, spaced several weeks apart, to achieve the desired smoothness. Factors like hair type, skin type, and treatment area affect the number of sessions needed. For instance, darker hair absorbs laser light more effectively, making the treatment more efficient. Consult with a qualified professional to ensure it's the right option for you. They can provide personalized advice and create a treatment plan tailored to your specific needs, ensuring the best possible outcome. Let's move on to another fantastic option: electrolysis. This method uses a tiny electric current to destroy hair follicles at the root, preventing future growth. It's incredibly precise, making it great for smaller, delicate areas and suitable for all skin and hair types. Multiple sessions are needed, and it's crucial to find a skilled electrologist. Prioritize safety and expertise when choosing this method. For those who prefer convenience, let's talk about intense pulsed light (IPL) devices for home use. These devices emit broad-spectrum light pulses targeting hair follicles, similar to professional treatments but less powerful. Consistency is key for noticeable results, much like having a mini gym at home. Research and choose a reputable brand and follow instructions carefully. Be patient. Results will improve with consistent use. Let's explore prescription topical creams that slow down hair growth. Eflornithine hydrochloride cream is commonly prescribed for unwanted facial hair in women. It inhibits an enzyme involved in hair growth and takes about 4 to 8 weeks to show results. Consult with a dermatologist to determine if this option is right for you. They can create a personalized treatment plan based on your needs. For a more natural approach, let's explore Ayurvedic and natural remedies. These ancient practices have been used for centuries to promote wellness and beauty. They offer gentle alternatives to modern chemical treatments, focusing on holistic health and natural ingredients. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which may help break down hair follicles. This tropical fruit is not only delicious, but also beneficial for your skin. Regular use of papaya can lead to smoother, softer skin, and it's a great natural exfoliant. Create a DIY paste with raw papaya and turmeric powder. Apply and rinse off after 20 minutes. This combination not only helps in hair removal but also nourishes the skin, leaving it radiant and glowing. The natural enzymes and antioxidants work together to rejuvenate your skin. Turmeric, with its curcumin content, may weaken hair follicles over time. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, turmeric has been a staple in skincare for ages. It helps in reducing redness and blemishes, giving your skin a healthy glow. Mix turmeric powder with chickpea flour and water. Apply, let dry, and rub off gently. This traditional recipe not only aids in hair removal but also exfoliates and brightens the skin. The chickpea flour acts as a natural scrub, removing dead skin cells and impurities, while turmeric provides a soothing effect. And there you have it, 5 effective remedies for permanent hair removal. Each method has its own set of benefits and drawbacks, so it's important to consider what works best for you. Whether you prefer the convenience of at-home treatments or the precision of professional services, there's an option out there that can meet your needs. The best method depends on your needs, preferences, and budget. For instance, laser hair removal might be more expensive but offers long-lasting results, while shaving is cost-effective but requires frequent maintenance. Waxing can be a middle ground, providing longer-lasting smoothness than shaving, but without the permanence of laser treatments. Always consult with a dermatologist before trying new treatments, especially for sensitive areas. A professional can help you understand the potential risks and benefits, ensuring that you choose a method that is safe and effective for your skin type. They can also provide personalized recommendations based on your unique needs. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, share it, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback helps us create more content that meets your needs and interests. Plus, sharing this video can help others find the right hair removal method for them. Don't forget to subscribe to my Fitness Hub for more health and wellness tips. We regularly post videos on a variety of topics, from skincare to fitness routines, to help you live your best life. See you next time.